So welcome to the Google Classroom tutorial. So in order to access Google Classroom, which is free to use if you have a Gmail account, you would just open Google Chrome and open up these little Google Apps tab and just scroll down, and Google Classroom should be somewhere right in here. So I'm just going to click on that. So once you open up Google Classroom, all of your classes will start to appear right here. You can have multiple classes at once. This one's from high school, and this was one I just created this year. So you can even click on this thing and they'll all show up right here. So these are the ones that I'm enrolled in, and this is the one that I'm teaching. So Google Classroom has a lot of cool features. So first there's the stream. So if you type something in to your stream, it'll go to all your students. They'll get a little email saying that you sent basically an alert out. So anything like a homework reminder to maybe there's an event coming up at school you just want to let them know about. That's what your stream is for. So then there's the classwork tab. So this is where you can create assignments, quizzes, questions, anything. So you would just click create the assignment, you would give it a little title, and add some extra instructions, maybe if they're not on the worksheet or whatever you're assigning. And you could add YouTube videos, Google Forms, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Excel, anything Google related. You can add a file from your computer, maybe like a Word document or a PowerPoint, and then you can click how many points you want it to be out of. You can make it ungraded, graded. You can assign it, you can schedule time you want to assign it. It really helps organize everything. So that's just an assignment. There can do quizzes, which automatically creates a Google form for you to just start filling in your questions, which is also really cool. And then there's the people tab. So this is everybody that is enrolled in your class. So your classes, I only have one class that I'm teaching right now, so all my students are just going to pop up right here. But you could have 3 to 4 or 5 classes a day, and all of your students will just pop up here in alphabetical order. So then there's the grading tab, and this tab shows all your students' grades. So as soon as they complete an assignment, it'll show up right in this column right here, and some students will be missing, some students will turn it in, be waiting to grade. So you would just click on their assignment right here, and you could type in their grade right from there. Or you can even click on their name, and they will have their assignment turned in, not turned in. You can click on it, and this assignment, there wasn't any work attached to it. Your work would all come up right here. So then, if we go back to the home screen, there's also a Google Calendar. So you can start importing any due dates that are coming up, maybe school events that are coming up, and all of your students can see it. So it's a great way to keep them reminded, and they can set up different types of reminders on their phone, whether they want it to be the day of, 2 days before, whatever they want. And it's just a great way to keep everybody connected.